Ooh.
Cao vậy?
It looks like they're gonna go deep.
Ok. Đây. Good.
Yeah?
Nằm xuống. No. Nằm xuống xíu. Ok. Good. Cười. Vietnamese.
Vietnam.
Biết tiếng Việt không? Chút chút không? Không.
Tiếng
I
Việt.
don't, I don't understand. I don't know.
Không biết.
Đại Nam giá.
Oh, let me take out my phone. Let me tell her, please don't go too deep. These things look long. All right, let me tell her I'm scared. Nah, I'm dead scared though.
Thử á, anh muốn thử á. Anh muốn làm thử. Không sao.
Oh my god.
Dịch gì được không? Khoái lắm.
Ok.
Okay. I told her go slow.
Kêu làm chậm chậm từ từ thôi.
Oh nah, I shouldn't have done this. I'm not even trying to clip farm or get like clip worthy stuff. I literally just saw this on the street and I haven't gotten my ears clean in a while, so the Q-tip only does so much.
Ôi em kìa, đem về nước bển nè. Sợ. Ok. Nhìn mặt nó cười.
Feels so weird.
Sợ. Sợ.
Sao.
Sợ.
Sao. Oh yeah. Tôi sao.
Tôi sợ.
Sao.
Sợ đau.
Sao.
Ừ.
Nah. I don't like this one. It's like the sound when you blow on a mic and it makes that sound like the that's what she just did in my ear. Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Yo, how deep is she going, bro? Pause. Yo, she going mad deep. She digging in me. She digging in me. I feel like I'm at a doctor.
Ok.
Good.
Ok.
Oh my god, the other side. This side, dirty as hell, I already know. I know she's annoyed. I know she like, yo, stop being a pussy. This is my first time being penetrated by anyone for that matter. And I can say I don't enjoy it.
Massage body.
That's how the body.
Massage